And we start off this edition with the latest news break that's coming in the Sheena Bora murder case. Now, this is the Central Bureau of Investigation that has informed special court that the bones and remains allegedly of the victim were not missing, but were traced to a record room. The CBI had last month, told the court that the remains were not traceable during the deposition of a witness, a forensic expert. So it's a change in stance. The Central Bureau of Investigation now telling special court that traces the bones of the victim have now been traced to a record room. This after the CBI had last month informed the court that the remains were not traceable during the witness statement of a forensic expert as well. We will just go across to Sandeep to get us the details, but it is a crucial evidence in the Sheena Bora murder case. CBI telling the court now that the victim's remains have now been traced and were found in the record room. We'll just go across to Sandeep to once again take us to the details of what CBI had told the court last month. And the latest that the Central Bureau of Investigation has informed the court. Sandeep, if you can hear us, how is this evidence going to be crucial in getting to the bottom of the case? The CBI had last month said that the victim's bones were not traceable, and it's a change in stance that the Central Bureau of Investigation has now taken.
Yes, in this very matter, last month it was very shocking, wherein CBI had said that the mortal remains, in fact, the skeletons of Sheena Bora was in fact missing, but ultimately after a month on yesterday, in fact, the court has, in fact, CBI has informed the court that her skeletal remains have been in fact found at the storeroom or the Malkhana in Mumbai, where in fact where the evidence related to Sheena Bora case had in fact disappeared, has been in fact found in Delhi CBI office. So ultimately, this is one of the major update in this very matter. It will be crucial to see what would be the court's next next action in this very matter. Ultimately, it was indeed very shocking, Samiksha, when the CBI had informed the court that the skeletal remains were in fact missing, but it is indeed a major, development in this very matter, wherein the skeletal remains have been found now.
So, Sandeep, just a quick follow-up question. In fact, for the viewers tuning in, if you can quickly run us through the timeline of the Sheena Bora case, which dates back to 2012.
In 2012, the mortal remains were in fact dumped in one of the jungle near Lonavala and Alibag, wherein this mortal remains were found in 2015. The case was in fact registered, and later on Indrani Mukherjee was arrested on the suspicion of killing her daughter. This case got revealed when the driver was in fact caught in Mumbai, and in fact he said that he had murdered. Later on, the investigation took place. Indrani Mukherjee was also in the jail for 6 to 7 years in Mumbai. So the trial is underway right now, and the police is in fact, the CBI is in fact putting up all the examinations before the court is examining all the witnesses in this very matter. It will be crucial to see what would be the next course of action, as the order is still pending in this very matter.
All right, Sandeep, thank you for the moment, but this is astonishing given that there is a sudden reappearance of the bones after what the CBI had told the court last month.